Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how to transfer your Spotify playlist to your YouTube music. What is going on everyone? Welcome to the channel. I hope you are having a great day. I know most of you listen to music every day on Spotify. I mean, who doesn't love listening to music? But one day something came into your mind and say, you know what? I want to change platforms. Or maybe I want to transfer my Spotify playlist onto a different platform. If that came into your mind, then you are watching the right video. Because we are learning how to transfer our Spotify playlist to different platforms. Let us say YouTube Music. But before we go right into the video, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified when there are new videos, updates, and other contents from our channel. Alright, now let us start transferring our Spotify playlist to YouTube Music. First, let me show you the playlist that I will be transferring. And here it is. It is named Wowzers. Now, to transfer our playlist from Spotify to YouTube Music, all we have to do is head to our browser. And then let us search for sounddiz.com. All we have to do next is to log in using our Spotify account. If the terms and conditions appear, just tap agree. Don't worry, SoundDiz is 100% safe and you can remove its access to your account anytime. Anyway, by signing with our Spotify account, SoundDiz will automatically detect all of our saved playlists. Now that we are logged in, the next thing we want to do is select the playlist that we want to transfer. Once we have selected the playlist that we want to transfer, let us go ahead and hit convert. If you want to change the title, then go ahead and do so. There are also other options like you can delete duplicate tracks and set your playlist privacy as public or private. If you are good with the settings, then let us hit save configuration. If you want to transfer all of the songs on your playlist, then I suggest to tap on confirm. However, if you want to remove some songs, then just uncheck them. Now let us select the destination. Remember that we want to transfer it to our YouTube Music account. So let us go ahead and hit YouTube Music, hit allow, and then wait for it to finish converting. Now that it is done, let us take a look at our YouTube Music playlist. And as you can see, we have successfully transferred our playlist from Spotify to YouTube Music. If this video helped you, then please share this to your friends so you can help them too. If you enjoyed watching the video, then please leave your thoughts on the comment section below. And as always, thank you for watching.